Yes, because I told you actually. I can take care of all you need. My father was the first black person to become a job. So he knows everything I'm missing, so we can take care of the needs.
Ah, Kunt.
Who is that?
Kunt. At first you said good Baba he was the first person to eat school fees. Now it's your father having these medical issues. Yo!
I told him that what I almost had that was before he became a job. So I can actually tell you the yeah, you can see. But I decided not to all you have to do is just say yes to me. Yes, I told you, but then pay this to my sugar again. I can make you my sugar man. Sagayo, I mean, it's up to you. Just say yes to me and you see. I'll change your whole life actually. Because you know, the things for a while. Is my music don't need it.
Really?
I told you.
Really, Kunt.
I'm sure.
You know, you guys, you're the same. Do you promise you won't hurt me? Don't break my heart. What's wrong?
No, I won't. Just let's just give it a shot.
Are you for real?
Just give me a shot.
Think you promise?
Yeah.
No, I hope you're not lying. Because if you do, I won't even forgive you because you can't play with my heart.
Mashurangu tikunda ka asi ndiri kunozvipedza mukomana da undijairira hapo mukomana da undijairira zvakwana shuwa zvakwana hai friend yako kupi ona zvakwana pesi wako ona atori nemusikana izvi
Oh,
I was doing it. So I think it's best to go to the kids and to play with the
that is so sweet. But why are we even around?
Yeah, the thing is, as you do,
no, babes, no, I still need to know you better.
Yeah, I know. There's still time to know.
And you're not even comfortable sitting here with me. What's wrong?
It's why you do it. I know distract you and do that. Apart from the she's not going to make it.
Okay, it's fine, though, but I wanted to know you better.
Yeah, you know me better.
You're not comfortable.
Maya, you're not chicken. You plan my roots section. No,
you're not here.
Who's that?
I can see him.
Like that doesn't take on it.
Batatu wana zvipitika ari kusumudzwa ruoko abatatu na waibhebhirako okay kozi munomuzwisise also matrustishi zanonetsa unongozviziva wantu zvinonetsa but tatuka inenika I need to talk to Kunt.
Let me see what I can do. Let me see what I can do now.
Alright. Sure.
Yes, bro, King, where is it? Come to you.
No sé, bueno. Porfa, kuchifete.
Bana, kungonisindira kanisa. Nina urangwa kule. Kuba wana apunza zozaka ndikana bana situation yangu ngakauma. Nogara riri kudressing hapana.
I don't trust you biti.
Aiwa, pesa hapana. Pesa wangu hapana. Inyaya kuti to make skin the message hapana.
So babe, how did it go?
Akuna dijiga. Baby rake ndere mbudi. Mstanga ndio pesa wangu. Saka wangu cha kunyitsana ndoto. Saka nje pana ndodi. Because I'm going to buy cigarettes. But I think they're all good now.
Oh, all right. I can see. I'm sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
So how do we do?
I need to like.
So that's what about you.
Yeah.
Did you take a gym back with your
Sure, ndacho kubinga yabhendo kuda unoziva wani. But babe, ndakunzwa kuti babe, chichachitika. Ndarinzwa swe.
Oh, ayo unoziva DJ. Ini ndambokuudza kuti I'm half Asian, half Zimbabwean. Saka mira ndikuudze, shandi muJapanese. So kuJapan K vanomubudisa ari B. Saka ida kuti kunda ndobva ati babe. Ndatomuudza ndishandisa language yechiZimbabwe.
Oh, Hannah, ndangoshamisika. I hope you won't cheat. Sure, cheat.